Welcome to Buy My Stuff. Let's walk you through the steps to add a product. Begin on the home screen and locate the Add Item sign. Click on it to select Add Product. Now it's time to specify your product details. First, choose your category and subcategory. Enter the product name. Select your currency and add your price. Add the product quantity and brand, and indicate the product condition. Note that a new barcode is automatically generated, but if you have an existing one, you can add it by selecting the Scan Item button. Next, you can upload a product image, cover image, and even a video. Be sure to follow our upload guidelines. Toggle this option if you want to feature the video in the Windows Shopping section. Now, add your product tags and variants. Specify your product dimensions for shipping, and provide a detailed product description and features. Once everything is set, click Add Product, and you're all set. For more information, visit buymystuff.app.